Numinous is an adjective that describes something as being mysterious, spiritual, or evoking a strong sense of wonder and awe. The term often suggests an encounter with something that feels deeply spiritual, magical, or even divine, filling the observer with reverence or a sense of connection to something greater than themselves. Origins of Numinous. The word numinous originates from the Latin numen, meaning divine will, or divine presence. It was introduced into English in the 17th century and over time has come to capture feelings of the supernatural, the mystical, or anything that brings an overwhelming sense of the unknown. How to use numinous. Numinous is frequently used to describe places, experiences, or even art that has an otherworldly quality, inspiring awe and reverence. For example, a person might describe a dense forest, a grand cathedral, or a particularly moving piece of music as numinous if it stirs an inexplicable, almost sacred feeling. Example sentences. Standing beneath the night sky in the remote desert, she felt a numinous connection to the stars and the universe. The ancient temple had a numinous quality, as if spirits from the past lingered in its halls. Similar words, mystical, related to mystery or spiritual experience. Ethereal, light, delicate, and otherworldly. Sacred, holy or connected with divinity, often inspiring reverence. In essence, numinous describes experiences or things that evoke a powerful, inexplicable sense of the sacred or mystical, often making the person feel like they're in the presence of something beyond the ordinary.